Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'll be showing you how to get onto Odysee or LBRY. So this will be multiple ways to get on there, because there are multiple ways to get on there, but they'll sync between each other. So you shouldn't have to worry if you sign in on, let's say, Odysee, that it might not be working on LBRY. It syncs, so you can sync your subscriptions, your wallet info and all that. And you can sync everything over the two platforms, and all the videos that you upload to, let's say, Odysee, will also be on LBRY and vice versa. And this applies with pretty much everything, including your account. So you don't have to worry about changing how you use LBRY or Odysee, because it should all sync up nice and neatly. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first one thing I'm going to show you, one way to get into the kind of LBRY/Odysee universe is signing up for Odysee. So all you need is a web browser, and I'm going to open up a new private window just because I'm already logged into Odysee. So I want to show you what it would be like for a totally new user to the Odysee universe. So Odysee. So I'm going to search up Odysee and DuckDuckGo, and I'm going to get there. But you might not actually be able to easily get to Odysee, because when you search it up, like on, let's say, DuckDuckGo or Google, it might not be the first result because I think they delisted it. But you don't have to worry about that. You can just put in Odysee.com, go to there. So if you're signing up for the first time to use Odysee, then you just click sign up. Like, pretty self-explanatory. You just put in your email address, you put in a password. Sync my YouTube channel is one option. You can sync with your YouTube channel. I don't sync personally, but you can if you want to. I basically just upload it manually so I can change some stuff and get all the licenses correct and all that. But let's say I put in whatever, like you just click sign up basically. And once you've signed up, you should get an interface. That looks like this. So I've got dark mode on, obviously. You might not have dark mode on. It doesn't really matter. But when you want to upload a video, you can click the publish button. You can click upload, and you can just get your video file. You can upload it. You can put in the title, the description, the thumbnail, the tags, how much tokens you're going to deposit on it. So with LBRY and Odysee, you need to know that they have a cryptocurrency, but you earn this crypto literally just by watching videos and getting support from your viewers. So yeah, and you don't have to put that much crypto on any upload. You can deposit as little as I believe it's like 0.0001 or something. I'm not exactly sure, but you have to deposit a really small amount, so you should never really run out. And yeah, you can add a license, obviously. You can put your channel you can put the language of the video. You can give it a name, so you can easily get there. And also, I believe that you can have a special LBRY kind of, you can reserve a certain name if you have the highest bid on it. But yeah, so also one thing I forgot to mention is the more that you deposit, the more trusted your video is. So if you can deposit more, then that's good. But I'm going to click cancel right here because I've got nothing to upload. Cancel. But let's say you don't want to go the Odysee route because it's too centralized. I don't know. It's a website, so you don't really think it's as good. Well, do you know what you could do? You can try out LBRY. So let's say you want. So this is the web interface. There's no real advantage to this using this interface. If you're going to look for a web interface, just use Odysee. But if you wanted something that's more, what do you call it again? If you wanted an actual, if you wanted a desktop client which lets you watch pretty much decentralized videos, then you can download the client. So let's say with me on macOS, you can download the DMG file, or with Windows the exe. They even have Linux support, which is really good. And they're on Android and on iOS, but with iOS it's Odysee. But so LBRY was the first one. So once you kind of downloaded it, you would boot it up. You would have a very similar sign-up prompt with Odysee, and then you can access some special features that you can't with Odysee. So some cool stuff that you can do, which I don't believe you can do on Odysee currently, is that, let's say you wanted to post a literal kind of text post. So let's say I wanted to say, this is a test for a video I am publishing about LBRY and... Okay, that's not what happened. But let's just say you, so you can write a written post. Also, you can use, I believe, you can write written posts. You can attach a file. So, this could be any file, really. So with LBRY, the desktop client, so the kind of full-on desktop client, you can pretty much put pretty much any file, quite honestly. So you could put a PNG, you could put a MP4, and another really cool feature is that you can actually add a price to your work. So you can do this with I believe you can do this with Odysee as well, but you can also do it with LBRY, and basically you can put a price on your stuff, meaning that you can basically sell it, and you can make some money off that, and you can even, so you can sell it in LBRY credits. So somebody has to pay, let's say, 3 LBRY credits to get your thing. Then you could cash that out one day, I believe. But that's cool. You can also optimize and transcode if you have FFmpeg fully configured. I don't know why it isn't configuring properly. But let's not let's not get onto a bit too much of a tangent on that. But if you did want to support me as a creator when using LBRY, then when you go to LBRY TV, so I'll go through there, and you can put in join /@Sandro Linux, and I believe this should load. Oh wait, no. Okay, I think I got the URL wrong on that, but I'm sure in the description on screen right this second, there is going to be a link that you can use to support me as a creator if you want to. But I don't really mind. It just gives me a bit of some crypto, and I believe it but I'm going to be posting more on LBRY, so be sure to check that out. If you're watching this on LBRY or Odysee, well done. You might even just be watching this and discovering me on Odysee or LBRY, and that's good. Or you might be on DTube, because I also use that. But I think this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. The last thing I'm going to say is that one cool feature that Odysee and LBRY has is you can repost other content. So this isn't my content, but I've reposted it, almost like a retweet for for videos, and that is a great idea. And you can also support creators like me by just sending some LBRY credits. You can click support, you can send monies, but you don't have to, obviously. And that is cool. And yeah, so if you enjoyed, you can follow me on Odysee and LBRY. I'm sorry if this went on a bit too long. But you can also follow me on DTube. You can follow me on DailyMotion while you're at it. You can even subscribe to me on YouTube if you dare do that. If you dared kind of risk the censorship of YouTube. Because with LBRY there's no censorship, which is good. So you can follow me if you're on LBRY, and I've already said this. So you can like and you can share this if you found it informative. If you want to get more of your family members on LBRY and Odysee, maybe if you want to get more of your friends on LBRY and Odysee, and if you really enjoyed it, you can of course support me here. And until the next one, stay happy, everyone. Stay safe. Go to sandrolyrics.com if you really want to. And I guess until the next one, goodbye.